Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is June Penny. Before I get started, you guys know what I have to do. I have to give you all a big old hug, tell you all how much I love and appreciate you, and I really mean that. I really do. Anyway, today's video, yes, the title, I know, it brought you here, right? It brought you here. And I'm here to tell you how going bald, having thin hair, has made me money, and my other side hustles that have made me money every single month. I know a lot of you have asked me, do you make money? Do you stay at home? Do you go out to work? What do you do to make money? I haven't done a video like this ever on my channel, and I am going to do it today because I just want to share with you what I do to make money and how you guys can make money, because it's 2020 and yeah, time is going by fast, and who doesn't need extra money? I mean, really. But I have been stressing to people, you need side hustles. You need at least 5 streams of income in order to live a nice, relaxed, like have your mind relaxed with money. I'm not saying you're going to be rich. Can you be rich? Absolutely. Am I rich? No, I'm not. I am going to make money, honey, this year. Let me just tell you what I am doing and what you guys can do. The first way that I make money is through my YouTube channel. You guys know I've been on YouTube forever. And how I started making money on YouTube was just basically putting a video out there. One video I put out there, and it was about my hair loss. And it wasn't really to make money, but it turned out that it ended up making money. Quite of my videos have gone viral. They have millions of views, and I've gotten so many subscribers because of those videos. And so after a while, my videos started to get monetized through AdSense, through Google AdSense. Sometimes you guys see the ads on my videos. Anytime somebody clicks on those videos, I get paid. So I know a lot of you are like, oh, don't put ads up, but this is my job. This is how I get paid. This is how I'm able to stay home and to make these videos for you. So you're getting information. I'm helping you guys out. It's helping me out, just talking to you guys back and forth, and I'm getting paid through Google. That's how I make money. Now, you guys can make money on YouTube as well. You have to go with something that you're passionate about, and it can basically be anything. And when I tell you anything, like there is somebody on YouTube that had a viral video on how to boil water. Did you hear me? How to boil water. Do you know that there are so many people out there in the world who do not know how to boil water? And so people will search on YouTube. If there is something that you know how to do, and you can bring it on YouTube and get paid for it, why wouldn't you do it? It could be book reviews. You can do videos about your crafts. You can do videos on how to boil water, how to even cook an egg perfectly. If you know how to cook an egg perfectly, make a video on it. And I am telling you, so many people will search for something like that, and your video can become viral, and you'll end up making money on YouTube. Another way that I make money, and this is all very new to me, I am loving this, and anyone can do this, and you can make unlimited money. It's called Poshmark. It's basically going through your closet and taking clothes, items, shoes, anything, jewelry, pocketbooks, anything that you do not use, and just list it on the Poshmark page, and you will make money. It was just last week I made $400. Yes, look at my Poshmark over here. These are the items that I sell, and people just they buy them. I mean, I could be sitting watching TV, and all of a sudden I get, you just sold an item, and it's amazing. What I did recently was I went into a Goodwill store, and I was searching for items that would potentially sell on my Poshmark. And I took about 2 hours and went through everything in the thrift store, and I found quite a few items. I found a Michael Kors bag, like a real Michael Kors bag. I bought it for $10 and I sold it, I believe, for $30 or 30 something dollars. I am not looking to buy something and putting it up for the retail price. I'm not looking to break anybody, but if I can find an item for $10 and put it up for $30, even $40, I'm making my money back, and the person who's buying it is getting such a steal. I am now becoming a reseller on Poshmark, and I'm loving it. It's so exciting, and the money just keeps adding up and adding up. Make some money. We all need to make money. Money, honey. Another thing that I am doing, and you can do as well, is offer a service that you are good at. Because basically, you will never be broke if you have a skill. And I don't mean skill like, oh, I have a college degree. Any skill. If you know how to organize, you can capitalize on that. For me, I offer beauty services. I don't have a license in beauty, but what I do is, there are a few people that every 6 weeks, I dye their hair. Dye their hair with their, I don't know why I did that, their drugstore dye. So they go to the drugstore, they buy Revlon, whatever it is, drugstore dye, but they don't want to dye their own hair. So I offer a service where I dye hair, and I blow out their hair, and I get $50 for it. $50 for it. It's about under an hour, and I make $50. I did that 3 times last month, so that's $150, right? Side hustles, baby, side hustles. So another way that I make money is Amazon Associates. So you've seen my videos. You see when I talk about something, when I say there's a link down below, it's usually linked to my Amazon Associates account. What that means is, if I talk about, okay, so for instance, for Christmas, I got, if you see over here, I got this jewelry stand that's a mirror as well. I will put the link down below, and you'll hear me. I have the link down below. When you click on that link, if you order that, I get a commission for that. It's a small commission, but if a lot of people buy it, I mean, it adds up. That's another way of making money, is through Amazon Associates. So you guys, look into these things. There are so many ways to make money. Another way I make money is lending my ear. I have been doing this for years, and for free, is when people want advice from me. I don't want to brag, but I will tell you this, that 99.9, that's how sure I am, 99.9% of the times that I have given out advice, whether it be relationship or just basic life problems, with family, with coworkers, with anything, just someone to talk to. My advice is that good. Is that good? People have told me you always give the right advice, you always help me, you know how to talk to me, you know how to calm me down, and everybody would tell me you should charge for that. And guess what? I do. I have mentioned this in a YouTube video in the past, and I really didn't think anything of it, but I was like, you know, like, if anybody wants to talk to me one-on-one, whether it be about hair, about relationship, whether you just need to vent, anything, I charge $25 a half hour and $50 for an hour. I have 10 spots open for 1 hour, 20 spots open for a half hour. So per month, I average between $300 and $500. I will put that time to the side to speak with you. to speak to that person. I go in my room, I tell everybody, do not bother me. I don't care if my phone rings. I don't care unless God forbid, my house is on fire. Nobody is bothering me. They have my undivided attention. They can cry, they can laugh. Some people just need a friend, and yeah, I'm there. And some people will be, why do you charge? Because I don't have the time to speak to everybody who wants to talk to me. And so if somebody needs my undivided attention, I tell you, when I'm on the phone, if one of my friends call me and I'm on the phone, I'm talking to everyone in my house, and most of the times I'm like, listen, I gotta call you back. Click, and then I won't call them back for hours at a time. But if somebody needs my undivided attention for an hour or a half hour, I will give it. Listen, time is money for me, and I hate being like that, but there's this one lady that needs 3 hours of my time per month. I don't have that time to spend just on the phone, just talking to someone. I make money. And so if this is something that you can do, you can do it as well. If you guys want to talk to me for an hour, I will have the link down below. We can talk, we can FaceTime, we can do whatever. You will have undivided attention from me. You can talk about anything. Nothing can make me judge anyone. I have spoken to the best, I've spoken to the worst. Believe me, I've heard the best, I've heard the worst. Nothing can shock me. That I will. And last but not least, I have opened up a new business, and it's called, get this you guys, Faux Play and Company. And what I am selling is basically designer inspired crafts. So I just opened up a new Instagram account, and I would love to invite you to go over there and to follow me. I will be putting out so many cute little faux crafts like this one right here, these keychains, how adorable. And you will be seeing a lot more in the future. It's completely brand new, so there's no photos of the things that I'm putting up, but just follow me, and then you will be notified when I have my grand opening on Instagram. It's going to be great. So these are the things that I am doing to make money. If you like this type of video and you want to see more side hustle ideas, leave a comment down below. I would love to help you guys out. It's all about making money, honey. We all need it. We do. We need it. We all are looking to make more money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below. Press the bell notification so you can be notified when I make videos like this and others. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye-bye, guys. Okay, so I need to do something for my thumbnail, guys. So I am going to go. Is that good for thumbnails?